Hey Kim, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. Something that I noticed right away are these call to actions. These are super good for your conversions. Something that I would recommend is adding some content to this homepage. Google has crawlers that are crawling 24/7. And so they are going through the internet and all the websites, going through the content and looking for keywords embedded in this content. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you can also put those keywords embedded throughout that content. So here is an example of a keyword, foundation repair Kansas City. The first thing that's popping up here, these are just some ads. So if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And you want to be ranking here in the top 3 because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And then a lot of people won't click past the first 3. And so to be able to rank above these other businesses here, you want a Google business profile that has more citations, and then you want to make sure you have a good amount of reviews and photos than these other businesses. So if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. So this is where your website ranks. And so you want to be in the top 3 here as well, just because the majority of the business, I see you guys here, and there as well, goes to the top 3. The majority of it really goes to the number 1 spot. So the higher up you can go, the better, the more business that you'll be getting. So the other 60 to 70% goes into this section. So let's take a look at KC Pier's website since they're the number 1 ranking. Looks like they also have some good call to actions. It would be easy to beat them out with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of both. So I have KC Pier plugged in here to Ahrefs. And so what this is doing is it pulled data from Google. And so there are some ratings here. There is the UR and the DR, 34 and 4.1. So what makes up these ratings are backlinks. They have 1.96 thousand backlinks coming from 427 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And something to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks. If they are spammy, they will harm these numbers here. And if they're good quality, then they'll boost them. So something else, KC Pier has 1,000 organic keywords on their website. So let's take a look at their website and compare it to yours. And as a whole, your website has 46 UR, 42 DR, so really good ratings here, coming from 9.61 thousand backlinks, from 1.62 thousand referring domains, and 9.1 thousand keywords. And so you guys are doing super great. I know you guys have a pretty broad market here. Something that I would recommend is making sure to have those buyer intent keywords on your back pages so that you can rank for what people are searching for, and Google knows to connect you whenever people are searching for it. But let's take a look at some of the things that KC Pier is ranking for. So 700 people every month are searching for foundation repair Kansas City. Take a look. 150, 150, 200, 100, 150, 150, and this list just keeps going. So there are a ton of people just in that Kansas City area that are searching for the services that you provide in the service area that you service. And so something that I'd recommend for you all is making sure these keywords are on the pages for the service areas that you are targeting. and then making sure that your Google business profile has more citations. So I'd add some citations to that Google business profile. And if you all need any help doing any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you all. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.